Want to track how well your website performs in Google search and boost your SEO? Google Search Console is your go-to tool. Let's get you set up. Hello everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, where we power your WordPress websites with the best hosting solutions out there. Today, I'll show you how to add your WordPress site to Google Search Console. Having your site registered on Google Search Console is crucial for any website owner who aims to optimize their site's performance in Google search results. Google Search Console provides invaluable insights into how Google views your site, including information about indexing status, search queries, crawl errors, and Google search traffic data to your website. This tool allows you to see which queries bring users to your site, which pages have the highest performance, and how often your pages appear in Google search results. Plus, it alerts you to any issues with your site, such as security breaches or penalties that could affect your site's visibility. By leveraging this data, you can make informed decisions to enhance your SEO strategy, improve your site's search rankings, and ultimately drive more organic traffic. It's an essential resource for monitoring your site's health and optimizing its visibility in search results. There are a couple of ways to verify your site with Google Search Console. Let's look at some of them. First, visit search.google.com/search console and click Start Now. You might be prompted to fill in your Google credentials. You will see the domain and URL prefix sections. We will be working with the options available at the URL prefix, so write your site's URL there. Don't forget to add https:// before your address, otherwise you'll get an error. In the next window, you will see the first verification method, which is uploading the HTML file they provide to your WordPress site. To do this, start by downloading their HTML file. Now, you need to access your site's root files via a file manager. We will be using FileZilla for this. Fill in your site's credentials, and once you've connected to your site, you will see a list with all your site's folders under the Remote Sites section. Now, what we need to do is upload the HTML file we downloaded from Google Search Console into our root directory folder. This folder is usually the public _HTML folder, but the directory name can change depending on your hosting provider. In our case, the folder is called root. On the left-hand side columns, FileZilla shows the files in your computer. Find the HTML file you've downloaded from Google Search Console, right-click on it and select Upload. You should be able to see your uploaded file on the right-hand column where your site's files are located. Now, all you have to do is go back to Google Search Console and check that your site's been verified. If you're a Rapyd Cloud client, the process is even easier as we have an inbuilt file manager in our dashboard. Log into your Rapyd dashboard, select the site you want to add to Google Search Console, and on the left-hand side column, select File Manager. Click on the Add New button and find Google Search Console's HTML file. You will soon see your HTML file in the list of your site's files. Go back to Google Search Console and continue your site's verification. Finally, let's look into the option of adding a meta tag to your site's homepage. There are several plugins that can help you with this. Start by copying the meta tag Google provides you, then head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, and then Add New. Meta Tag Manager or Insert Headers and Footers are great options for you. Follow each plugin's instructions and you should be good to go. Don't forget to go back to Google Search Console and finish verifying your site. As you set up your site on Google Search Console, remember that the performance and speed of your site can significantly impact your SEO rankings. That's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. With our optimized WordPress hosting, we ensure your site runs smoothly, loads quickly, and is ready to climb the ranks in Google search results. Now that you know how to add your WordPress site to Google Search Console, you're all set to track and improve your site's search performance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.